Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to connect Payoneer to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to first log into your account. So after logging into your Shopify account, you'll be greeted by the home page where in the left side screen, you can find all the options you can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started connecting Payoneer to your Shopify store. Basically, guys, to be able to do this, if you do not want to use some credit card option that you can go ahead and connect from the payments option, but you directly want to use Payoneer, what you can do is open up the apps section right here. So go to apps and click add apps, and after clicking add apps, this is going to open up this menu where we can scroll down and find the Shopify app store. Open up the Shopify app store. This is going to open up this app store where you can find all the apps you can use for your store, and at the top of the screen you're going to have a search bar. In the search bar you want to search for Payoneer. You want to search for Payoneer checkout. That's going to bring you to this app right here, which is called Payoneer checkout. This is the application that's going to enable you your gateway to global online payment processing. That's going to enable you to connect your Payoneer to your Shopify store. So you want to click the install button. After clicking the install button, it's going to proceed with installation, asking if you're sure you want to install. You just want to confirm the installation, guys, and after authorizing the store and confirming the installation, your application is going to appear right here under your apps. So under your apps, go ahead and open up the Shopify checkout option and the Payoneer checkout app that you have, and you can get started connecting your info and adding it to your store. But yeah guys, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.